What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back with another banger, man. And hey, in today's video, I'm about to be putting y'all on some sauce, man. So hey, if y'all want to see more banger videos, man, more dope tutorials, show this video some love, man. Run the likes up, man. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, man. But hey, I'm not finna talk y'all heads off in this video, man. I'm about to be giving y'all straight game, man. So hey, enough talking, and without further ado, let's get into this video, man. Alright y'all, so first things first, before we get into this video, I am winging this. This is all off the dome. I didn't write nothing down as far as how I'm about to go about this video. Just sit back, take notes, man, and watch how I do it, man. I done made over probably 200 plus songs on Bandlab, so I know what I'm talking about to a certain degree. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. But hey, let's get into it. As y'all can see, man, I got my track here, got a little Verdi Baby type beat, man. Now we got our beat, I got my vocals here, vocal right here, I got my background vocal. My bad, I don't name it. When I'm in my zone, I just get to going, man. Right here we got our background track, then we got our vocal too. I'm gonna let you know right now, I got two vocal tracks just in case I forget something while I'm in the middle of recording and I kind of like stop. I like punch in with my other vocal, man, so that way it's not like all on top of each other. First tip, make sure if you got multiple vocal tracks, make sure they're matching up in the presets. So this is my little Curdy Bo track. I got a little preset on here, and it's going to be the same exact preset on this one too, and everything's the same. You don't want one being, you don't want one thing going left and the other thing going right, man, because feel me, it's just not gonna work out. It's not gonna end the way you want it to end. That was the little example, man. But I'm finna record this song I've been writing. It's called Downfall. I made this song, you feel me, when I was going through some shit. Gonna get too deep into it, but I had wrote it down, but now I just like it's muscle memory now, like it's a real song. So I'm finna just, you know, do my thing, man. Y'all take notes, and hell yeah. But let's get into it. Hey, all right. So first thing I do, man, my bad. I was just using the headphone microphone for my YouTube intro, but I don't got a high quality mic at the moment, but this iPhone microphone works for now. As long as you throw a preset on it, it's gonna get the job done, man. Yep, let's get into it, man. Another tip is I like to throw my monitor on so I can like know that it's sounding good, but I know that everybody doesn't like the monitor on. It's a personal preference, man. Whatever works for you, do it. But let's get into it, man. Hey, look, they wanna see my downfall, but that will not happen. Put the little switchy on it, now it's automatic. Love this little bitch, might cut her off cause she's so problematic. Gotta keep this Yiki just in case shit really get tragic. Love it when you throw that ass on me and call me daddy. Jeans kinda tight, I had to put this yappa in the fanny. If you wasn't there, you can't cap about what really happened.
Make sure they aren't turned up to high while recording, because of the microphone could capture the sound and ruin the vocal mix.
If I put my all into you, baby, is you gonna let me go? I've been on this road for this bag, yeah, I've been road running. I can't never finish off the freaking hook second time, man, but yeah, oh shit, gotta take a breather on that one. But hell yeah, man, I laid my vocals down. Now, before I laid my vocals down, I threw a little preset on, and I threw my monitor on so I can, you know, get a good feel of how the song goes sound. Now that I'm done with my main vocal, it seems like I didn't have to really use my second vocal because, as y'all can hear, I remember everything. I wasn't stuttering, skipping, none of that. So if you remember your song, you probably just gonna only need one track. But if you punching in, trying to like add stuff in, you're gonna need multiple tracks, man. Now that I got that over with, I'm finna be doing the background vocal. And you know, the background vocal, I'm finna just be filling in like little parts, like little dope parts of the song. Let's do that right quick. Go, you stabbed me in the back and then I learned I'm better on my own. If I put my all into you, baby, is you gonna let me go? I've been on this road for this bag, yeah, I've been road running. All right, now that we got our background vocals finished, I'm finna be throwing in some ad-libs. Sorry about that, I forgot to mention the ad-libs, man, but I'm gonna just throw my main vocal preset on, and I'm gonna turn my low down a little bit, boom. Hey, and then go to my graphic EQ. Hey, yeah, hey, just do vocal test. Hey, but now that we are in the background, man, now you don't want it to be too low. You just want to kind of like equalize it. Now that we got the now that we got that ready, man, I'm gonna just pan it to the right. You can pan it whatever you want, but I prefer left, right, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna pan it to the right, 35%, man. And then we're gonna do our ad-libs, and it's gonna give the song a better feel, man, a better mix to it. You don't always gotta do ad-libs, man, but the ad-libs do be coming in clutch, man. But let's get it. For this bag, yeah, I've been road running, trying to stop the demon from within, trying to get on something, and you can't get the answers out of me, cause I don't know nothing. You boyfriend pimping, and it's sick cause you hoe humping. The chop got a range, you was simping, and it's sick cause you hoe humping. The chop got a range and a melody, just like a trumpet. Far from a virgin with this Glock, I'ma up and bust it. Something inside of me trying to tell me that you good for nothing. And gonna do too much right there, man. But throw a little reverb on it. It sounded a little dry, so throw a little reverb on it, man. Mix on 19% tone, 31% size, 25%. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, we got our whole little song here, man, and it's sounding crispy, it's sounding clear. Here's another little tip. So for my hook, my bad. So yeah, so for my hook, let's see, hold on. They want to see my downfall, but that was all right. Y'all see how I messed up on that part, but let's go back to when I first was doing the hook. Now it's automatic. Probably right here. Put the little switchy on it. All right here. Nothing. They want to see right here. Nothing. All right, now that I trim that, you're gonna copy it, scroll right to the end of that, or you can throw it on your vocal too, just to, you know, give it more space so you can like move it over a little bit without it getting in the way of your first track. Let's see how it sounds. Hold on. Really get tragic. They want to. Y'all see how delayed and weird it sounds? Get tragic. They want to see my. That's why you gonna always need a second vocal track, man, to just be more creative. Now, what I'm finna do, hold on. Get tragic. They want to get tragic. They want to see. Now, I scroll in really deep. Pause. I scroll in so I can see everything that's going on, and I can get a better perspective on how to get the hook in the right place. Get tragic. They want to. So let's move it up a little bit more, see how it sounds. I play it back just to make sure it sounds cool. Get tragic. They want to see. Get tragic. Hold on. Get tragic. Now, if the sliding don't work, you can take off your snap to grid, and what that allows you to do is just slide it instead of it like moving into like a grid movement. They want to see my shit really get tragic. They want to see my downfall. Shit really get tragic. They move it to the side just a little bit. See how that sounds. They want to see my downfall, but that will not happen. Put the little switchy on. I don't know where all of this is coming from, all this extraness, but we're gonna take that off. They want to see my downfall, but that will not happen. Put the little switchy on it. Now it's automatic. Love this little bitch. Might cut her off cause she's so problematic. Gotta keep this Yiki just in case shit really get tragic. Right now I'm gonna throw my tragic. I'm gonna throw my little signature in right quick. This in the song. Gotta keep this Yiki just in case shit really get tragic. Alright. Gotta keep this Yiki just in case shit really get tragic. I'm finna be dropping this song pretty soon. It's gonna be called Downfall, man. If y'all ever see me post it, when y'all see me post it, man, please show your boy some love, man. It's gonna mean a lot and help your boy go a long way, man. But hey, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all got some good notes from that and learned a thing or two. And make sure you smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, man. We going crazy every day. But hey, I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.